In primetime news this evening, family narrowly escapes injury and death as rain causes house to collapse in Gordontown.
Displacement and loss in various parts of St. Thomas due to heavy flooding.
And Police Federation chairman reinstated following favorable Supreme Court ruling. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air, online at onespotmedia.com, and also a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Kalisha Williams with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Kalisha, some good news for investors in the NCB Financial Group. They've been waiting for almost 3 years, and the news has come that the company will be paying dividends as at next month. So I have the details a little later on.
All right, thank you, Javon. And there's a lot of rain, but Jordan Fort is here to tell us what's coming in sports.
Yes, Herman. Well, obviously, we've been talking about the inclement weather affecting the entire island, and Jamaica, of course, supposed to be contesting a crucial CONCACAF quarterfinal Nations League match against Canada at the National Stadium. Well, we can tell you that the start of that match has been delayed because of the inclement weather. Whether the match will be played this evening or not is still to be determined. We'll have the latest in Primetime Sports Friday.
And a little later on, we'll have Romain with what's up with the rainy weather.
There's also sports commentary E-Prime and of course the weather report in the forecast. But before all that, here's our feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, how should the authorities treat with persons who do not heed warnings in times of natural disaster?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.